Ever underestimated the potential of tiny chia seeds? Think again. These unassuming seeds, originating from the lands of Guatemala and Mexico, held significant importance for the revered Mayans and Aztecs. But what's the real deal with these tiny powerhouses? Packed with essential fatty acids, fiber, and vital minerals, it's no wonder the ancient Mayans associated chia with strength. The truth is, these little marvels offer an abundance of nutritional benefits that we're about to uncover in this video. Get ready to be amazed. Now, before we dive in, rest assured that every piece of information you're about to hear has been rigorously fact-checked and reviewed by experienced health professionals. With that assurance, let's embark on a journey to explore the incredible impact of consuming chia seeds daily. Number 1. Digestive health benefits. Chia seeds are rich in fiber, providing up to 10 grams per serving, which amounts to 29% to 45% of the daily recommended fiber intake. A diet high in fiber promotes digestive health, improves heart health, and helps lower cholesterol levels. In a modern context where fiber consumption is often insufficient, leading to chronic issues like constipation and diabetes, chia seeds offer both soluble and insoluble fiber, contributing to a balanced and healthy diet. Number 2. Weight management benefits. Research suggests that chia seeds may aid in weight loss, primarily due to their high fiber content. A 2011 study review indicated that incorporating chia seeds into the diet could lead to short-term reductions in body mass. Additionally, participants who added chia seeds to their yogurt reported feeling fuller compared to those consuming yogurt alone, according to another study. While a 2014 study found only modest weight loss compared to a placebo, further research is needed. But it is safe to say that integrating chia seeds into your diet can promote satiety and curb unhealthy snacking habits, contributing to better weight management. Number 3. Heart health benefits. Chia seeds boast an antioxidant called quercetin, which may lower the risk of heart disease and related conditions. They are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, known for their heart-healthy properties. Approximately 75% of the fat content in chia seeds consists of alpha-linoleic acid, with the remaining 20% comprising omega-6 fatty acids. This balanced ratio helps mitigate heart disease risk factors and could decrease the likelihood of premature death. While research on chia seeds' impact on heart health is still emerging, a rat study indicated potential benefits such as reduced triglyceride levels and oxidative stress, as well as lowered blood pressure, a significant risk factor for heart disease. Additionally, chia seeds contain a notable amount of copper, vital for maintaining heart health. Number 4. Cholesterol regulation. Several studies have investigated the effect of chia seed consumption on cholesterol and triglyceride levels. A 2021 review of 10 clinical trials revealed that chia seeds elevate high-density lipoprotein, HDL cholesterol, often referred to as good cholesterol. This may help balance blood lipid levels and enhance cardiovascular health. The review also noted favorable effects of chia seeds on various markers in individuals' fatty acid profiles. While research findings are still evolving, chia seeds hold promise as a beneficial addition for individuals seeking to lower their low-density lipoprotein, LDL cholesterol levels. Most studies focused on individuals with diabetes or metabolic syndrome consuming a healthy diet supplemented with 25 to 50 grams of chia seeds per day, showing significant reductions in triglyceride levels. Number 5. Antioxidant properties. Chia seeds are abundant in antioxidants, which combat oxidative stress and protect the body's cells from damage. Oxidative stress results from an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants, contributing to aging and certain cancers. Quercetin, found in chia seeds, is a potent antioxidant associated with reduced risks of heart disease, liver disease, and certain cancers. Chia seeds also contain mirin, caffeic acid, crole, and chlorogenic acid, each offering unique health benefits. Chlorogenic acid, for instance, helps lower blood pressure, while caffeic acid serves as a natural anti-inflammatory compound. Regular consumption of chia seeds may benefit heart and liver health and reduce cancer risk in susceptible individuals. Number 6. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation, often triggered by factors like processed foods, can lead to serious health conditions such as cancer and heart disease. Caffeic acid, present in chia seeds, helps combat chronic inflammation. Additionally, the high levels of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids in chia seeds may reduce inflammation in the body. Incorporating chia seeds into the diet can significantly improve inflammatory markers, potentially preventing inflammatory diseases. Number 7. Blood sugar regulation. Chia seeds have shown promise in reducing blood sugar spikes in the body. In a small 2017 study comparing flax and chia seed consumption, chia seeds were found to be more effective in slowing down glucose release. This finding is particularly encouraging for individuals with type 2 diabetes. The ample fiber content in chia seeds aids in reducing insulin resistance and improving blood sugar levels. Another study suggests that chia seeds elicit a different response to low blood sugar compared to traditional grains, potentially enhancing blood sugar control. Animal studies also indicate that chia seeds may improve insulin sensitivity, stabilizing blood sugar levels post-meals. However, further research is needed to validate these findings fully. Number 8. Bone health benefits. Chia seeds can contribute to bone health due to their high phosphorus and magnesium content, essential compounds for bone health. Just 1 ounce of chia seeds provides 18% of the recommended daily intake of calcium, crucial for bone and nerve health. Surprisingly, chia seeds contain more calcium than regular dairy products, making them a valuable addition to your diet for improving bone mineral density. An animal study involving rats demonstrated that daily consumption of chia seeds over 13 months led to increased bone mineral content compared to a placebo group. Number 9. Nutritional benefits. Chia seeds were integral to the diets of ancient civilizations like the Aztecs and Mayans, serving as vital sustenance for warriors. A tablespoon of chia seeds was believed to sustain an individual throughout the day. Modern science confirms the nutritional potency of chia seeds, with 1 serving containing 138 calories, 8.7 grams of fat, 11.9 grams of carbohydrates, 5 grams of alpha-linolenic acid, 4.7 grams of protein, and significant percentages of recommended daily intakes for calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, thiamine, and niacin. With such impressive nutritional content, incorporating just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds into your daily diet provides a plethora of health benefits. Number 10. Easy integration into diet. Unlike some foods that require significant dietary adjustments, chia seeds are effortlessly incorporated into daily meals. Despite their initially bland taste, chia seeds are versatile and can be added to various dishes. They can be consumed raw, blended into smoothies, or sprinkled over porridge, oatmeal, or pudding. Many enjoy them for breakfast atop yogurt or cereals. Chia seeds also serve as effective binding agents in homemade fritters, absorbing fat and water, and are suitable thickeners for sauces or egg substitutes. Their ease of use, coupled with their remarkable nutritional benefits, makes chia seeds an invaluable addition to any diet. So, embrace the health benefits of chia seeds and seamlessly integrate them into your daily meals. Don't overlook their potential. Enjoy the numerous health benefits they offer. If you found this video informative, remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. And make sure you watch this next video to find out what happens when you eat 2 dates every day for 1 week.